how to ask questions to Grok on X. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So on X, simply open up any post that you see, and if you want to ask any question related to it, you can also do it in your post as well. But in this video, we will see how you can ask anything from Grok on any particular post. Suppose you wanted to ask about the Tom Lee orbit mine, then just simply click on the reply section over here, then put the @ symbol and then type Grok, basically tag Grok, and then ask who is Tom Lee, and just simply post this and wait for a while. And after waiting for 30 to 40 seconds, you would get the answer from Grok, and this is how easy it is to ask anything from Grok on X. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.